Yes. After having discussed the two diphthongs A, E, R, U, we move on to the third one, which is O, E, or the vowel sound occurs over there, the symbol occurs there, or you can see, and E is here. So it is a fusion of these two vowel sounds, these two symbols. So what do we say as far as three-term description is concerned? We may say that this diphthong, this OE, is a glide from that open rounded vowel to the centralized front close unrounded vowel. Okay? So this is centralized front close, and this occurs between close and half close, you may say. Okay, this occurs between close and half close. Yeah, so it's, once again I repeat, OE is a glide from, as you see, back open, from back open rounded vowel to the centralized front vowel between half close and close position, between close and half close position. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us discuss the three occurrences of OE. Let's begin with the initial sounds. It's very easy. I have been giving example of that word so many times. I have given. This is oil. Okay, let us take the word oil. The first word that comes to my mind is oil, and you are familiar with this word because we have discussed it earlier also. Oil. This is how you transcribe it. OL. And say, you may take oily as well. Oily. This is how you transcribe oily. Y is converted into E sound. And then you may have words, like say compound words as oil field, oil fuel. This is how. Oil can, for example. Okay. So oil field, let us take oil field. This is. So first you write oil, then you write field. Now here you have long E sound, long E sound. Field. This is how you write oil field. And the next word can be oil fuel, oil fuel, oil fuel. This is how we write OL. Then you write full. Okay, full. But this E will be like inverted. You will have O sure in place of that. Oil full. Okay, this is how. Yes. You were telling someone?
Oyster.
Oyster. Okay, oyster. Oyster. How do you spell oyster? O-Y. S-T-E-R. This is how you spell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So oyster you write like this. O-E. O-E. Okay, this sound. O-E. Then sa. Ois. Then ta. Oyster. Is okay?
Yes, sir.
This is over. Okay, this is done. If you wish, you may write this also. Maybe your examiner wants it there, so you may write like this. Otherwise, this is complete. Oyster. Oyster. As I told you earlier, that R is not pronounced. Okay, since it's not pronounced, we don't transcribe also. We do not transcribe it. There is no need to transcribe it. But okay, you may write if you wish. So this is oyster. Oil can also you may take. Yes. Oil can. Oil can. C-A-N you write? Oil can. Oil. Then can you may write like this? Oil can. Yes. And we have oil wells there. Where do we have oil wells? We have oil wells in the Gulf countries. Okay. So oil well. How do you write well? W-E-double-L. Say yes or no. I can't hear your voice.
Yes, sir.
Why are you so silent? Oil well. Oil well. Oil well. Well, yes, well. So how will you write well? Now you tell me. I'm asking you whether you will write a sure there or a sound there.
A.
A, good. Because it is just the same. It's just the same. Well, oil well. If you write sure, then it will become oil well. Oil well. Okay? That's why sure is not required. Yes?
Ointment.
Ointment. Okay, you have taken a very big word. Ointment. Ointment you can write like this. Ointment. Oint. See, this is oint. It's in so many words. So remember how do you transcribe it? You transcribe it like this. And this is so with every word. This is how you are going to transcribe it. Ointment. 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 It's not mint, it is ointment. Ointment. Okay? So I think we have had enough words.
Yes, sir.
So we can move on to the medial sound now. We are doing OE. OE. See, OE. OE. Like you know, when you say O, your mouth is open, your jaws are open. O, E. When you say E, then your jaws are closed. So you move from open to the closed position. Yes. The medial. So medially, it occurs in words like, yes, come on, there so many words are there, like for example, say moist. Moist, because you have OE sound here also. So in all those words, you know, where OE sound occurs in the middle, you have this OE medially. This sound medially, diphthong medially. So moist, how will you write? Ma, O, E, Mo, E, and Sir and Ter. Moist. Moist. Or say point. Point, joint, coint, coin. Okay? In all those words you have it. Point. So point, point, point. Okay? Yes. And keep writing them down also, so that you do not forget them. Point and say, yes. Can you tell me one or two words from your side? Yes, point.
Voice.
Voice, okay. Voice. Voice. This is how you write voice. Voice. Voice is very easy to transcribe. Vo-e. I'm sorry. See, this is how it is. Vo-e and sa. Voice. Voice. Yes?
Choice.
Okay, good. Choice. Very nice. Choice you can have. Yes, choice. Choice how you write? First you write cha. This is cha, as you know. This is choi, and sa. Choice. Yes.
Avoid.
Okay. Avoid. Avoid you can take. Yes, nice. Avoid. Avoid you write with sure. You begin with sure. And then I told you that this occurs, sure occurs in unstressed syllables. So this is an unstressed syllable. And then you avoid. Okay. Wa, O, E, and da. Avoid. 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 And yes.
Join.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Join. 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 Ja you write like this. Ja. O. E. Join and na. Join. See, transcription is so easy. It's not difficult at all. You have to pay attention. That's all. If you are paying attention, you know how the sound is being produced, then just go along with the sound and you can transcribe it rightly. Okay? Yes. This is okay?
Yes, sir.
The last word, okay, we may have coin. Coin, okay? Because this is a word which they usually give in exams. This is how we write coin. So ka, o, e, koi, and na, coin. Coin. Okay?